Hello and welcome to expertSapient. So today we're gonna learn how to use search options within taskbar in any edition of Windows 10. The prerequisites are a desktop or a laptop with Windows 10 operating system installed. It can be any edition of Windows 10 like Windows 10 Home, Pro, Enterprise or Education. So let's start. Now we are on desktop and on bottom we have taskbar, and within taskbar we have a search box with a search icon that says type here to search. Once we right click the taskbar, we get a menu with some options. Here is a search option. Once we hover this search option, we get a sub menu with some more options like hidden, show search icon, show search box. As we currently see, show search box option is selected, so we click show search icon. As we click show search icon, search box disappears from the taskbar and only search icon is left within the taskbar. Again we right click on the taskbar, hover search option, and now we're gonna click hidden. Once we click hidden, search icon also disappears from the taskbar. Now there is no search box and no search icon present within the taskbar. Again we right click on the taskbar, hover search option, and this time we're gonna click show search box. As we click show search box and search icon both appears within the taskbar. So these were the search options within taskbar. That's enough for this video. Thank you and have a great day ahead.